Our next story was written by
EJ, Kasch,
Evalyn,
and Liam.
and this is our story.
and it's called The Elf's Quest to Find Santa in the Desert.
Hello, I'm me. Hello, me. Me, the elf, to be specific, and I. Whoa! Whoa! Whoosh! Whoosh! What just happened? I was just looking for a polar bear to get to the North Pole when all of a sudden a big gust of wind pushed me from the toy factory to the desert. And I don't see any elves, so I think I'm all by myself. It's just me. Me. And there's not even any polar bears here. I mean, do y'all see any around? I wonder if I get on this cactus if I'll be able to find them better.
Get off!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I'm so full of water. I'm gonna grow legs. Come here.
Why are you chasing me? Wait. Santa isn't in the desert, and there's no snow because it's boiling outside.
Hey, should we just be friends?
Yeah.
There's nothing out here except that tumbleweed there.
Yeah. I mean, polar bears aren't even in the desert.
Hey, do you like smoothies?
Yeah, I like smoothies.
All right, one smoothie coming up.
I didn't know cactuses could do that.
Well, we can. Here you go.
Spiky.
Yeah. And thanks to the juice, the best part of that smoothie, it allows you to fly.
Wow, I am flying. Oh my! Oh look, there's Santa